cold, mud, rain. Need protection from the elements? Demand Seizmik.
Hey guys, it's Jody from Seizmik. Appreciate you being here with us today as we talk about our new frame door kit for the Kawasaki Mule Pro. The Seizmik door kit for the Mule Pro features a PVC coated fabric. It sits over a strong tubular frame. The textile panels attach with Velcro that allow you to adjust the fabric as it contracts and expands due to weather conditions. The Seizmik door frame runs along the frame of the machine to provide a snug fit. The door kit utilizes 3 points of contact with the vehicle to provide a stable door platform. The first of which is the upper hinge point, which utilizes a low-profile steel clamp. The other 2 points of contact are along the upper edge of the factory door and require 2 holes to be drilled. Another cool feature on the Mule Pro doors is this upper locking mechanism that's on the inside of the door frame. What that does is it pulls this door frame against the frame of the machine to create a great seal. An added benefit to that is it prevents the door from bowing out when you're trailering it or when you're running down the trail. The door kits come with UV resistant window panels that feature dual zipper setups, and as with all Seizmik door kits, there's a mirror mount location in the correct place so that your mirrors are actually usable when you're using the machine. Additional interior features are a grab handle that allows closing the door easily and a push button release that operates the factory door latch. The Seizmik upper frame door kit for the Kawasaki Mule Pro works with most available roofs and windshields. And to complete your cab, Seizmik offers a soft rear dust window panel. The panel features the same PVC coated material as our upper door kit, large UV resistant window with dual zippers, and 2 Velcro storage straps.